Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto skillet lasagna with zucchini. Hey guys, welcome back. This super easy skillet lasagna is all of the flavors of lasagna, and we're just going to put it all in a skillet and it's going to be delicious. We're going to use zucchini instead of noodles. So let's get started by cutting up our zucchini. So I've got two medium-sized zucchini here, and I'm going to start by cutting it in half. And then, because I want to have these in like a little, about this size. So I'm going to cut it in half again, and then I'm going to cut it in half lengthwise again. So now we can cut them into chunks. And it makes nice little bite-sized pieces of zucchini. Okay, we've got all of our zucchini chopped, so I'm going to put it in this bowl and set it aside, and we're going to start cooking our ground beef. Okay, let's get started with the meat mixture. We're going to add in a pound of lean ground beef and half a pound of Italian sausage. That's going to give, that nice Italian flavor. Keep it easy. Sometimes we just want to throw something together. We don't have time to add a bunch of seasonings. So do with what you got. Let's add some salt and some pepper. We're just going to cook this and keep chopping it up until it's cooked all the way through. Okay, our ground beef is cooked, and ground beef and sausage is cooked almost all of the way through. I drained off the fat, and now I'm going to add in the zucchini, and we're going to cook those for about 5 minutes in with the ground beef, just to start to get them softened. I've got my skillet on medium heat. Okay, our zucchini are looking good. Our meat's all cooked all the way through, so I'm going to add in, this is a jar of Rao's marinara sauce. So we're just going to stir this in. Looking good. Okay, the next thing we're going to stir in is ricotta cheese. This is a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese. We're also going to stir in 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan. And the last thing to stir in is 4 ounces of mozzarella. This is 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella. So we're going to stir in half of it, and then the other half is going to go on top. Okay, this is getting nice and bubbly. I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the cheese on top. And then I'm going to cover this with a lid to encourage the cheese to melt. So let's dish some out. This is all of the flavors, so cheesy, all of the flavors of lasagna without all of the layering work. It doesn't look the most appetizing, but it's delicious. Let's have a taste. Oh my gosh, it's so cheesy. Ah. That is good. You can really taste that Italian sausage in there. It really gives this so much flavor without having to add in a whole bunch of extra ingredients. It just makes this so much easier. If you are ready to move on to a more involved lasagna recipe, you can look at this recipe of mine that is keto lasagna, and equally delicious, and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.